Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In today's video we will be discussing the concept of greatest common divisor. So if we all know GCD, this is greatest common divisor between the two numbers. Let's say I want to calculate the GCD of 10 and 15. Now that means I have to find the commonality between 10 and 15. One approach is the brute force approach is that we can get the numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can check 1 is always obviously common with everything. Then 2 is not common between 10 and 15. 3 is not common between 10 and 15. 4 also is not common between 10 and 15. Same applies when there is a particular scenario that we have to basically get the value of. So 5 is actually common between 10 and 15, so that answer is 5. But there is another approach of doing so, which is known as Euclid method. Now what is this method says? It says when you have to calculate the GCD between two numbers, which is a comma b. Now I have to calculate the GCD of a comma b. So how it can be calculated? It can be calculated in one way, is that this method says that the answer will be calculated as GCD b a modulus b. Now this is actually a recursive method. You know what is recursive method? This method is known as recursive method, means this answer is going to call itself again and again till the answer comes as a and 0. Now a and 0 or any value, you can take any value, not a, any value comma 0. The common answer is that value. So value is your answer. So whenever this is taken, you have to solve this again and again. Means this method will be GCD b comma a modulus b. It has to get calculated again and again till there is a common value to it. We can take a very simple example. We can take GCD as 10 comma 15. So we all know the answer to it is 5. But how it can be calculated? So I can take this a and this b. Now what I will do, I will call this function as this answer a comma b is the answer to this is GCD b a modulus b. So b answer is 15 and a modulus 15 is calculated. Now when I calculate this answer says 15. 10 modulus 15 is 10. So the answer is GCD 1510. I have to calculate this process again and again till I get GCD any value comma 0. So again this will be treated as a, this will be treated as b. Again I will calculate it as 10, right? A modulus b. So the answer to it we have got is GCD 10. 15 modulus 10 is 5. Again this process is going to be called again and again till you get GCD value comma 0. So again I am calculating this GCD. We have got a comma b, so 5, and 10 modulus 5. We all know what is 10 modulus 5. 10 modulus 5 is 0, right? So we got GCD any value and 0. So we got 0 over here. And what value we have got? Your answer is that value. So value we have got is 5 and answer to this is also 5. This is a very simple trick where we have to call the function again and again till you get any value comma 0. So that gives your answer. If you have any sort of doubt, kindly post it in comment section. Kindly like, share and subscribe and support us in this initiative. Thank you.